Hi everyone, I'm sure many of you have heard of TikTok. A few months back, I joined the platform. I was not sure what to do to gain followers and get leads and sales. Then I found this TikTok training, 15-second free leads. Let's talk about this today. To get updated whenever I publish a new video, please remember to subscribe. So I found this course. It's only $1 and many say it works. Here are some testimonials. The value of the course is actually $197, but now you can get it for only $1. I will add the link in the description below. Go to the description and click on the link to get this course for only $1. You know, I have always found that it is good to always learn, to always learn more things because I am a believer of lifelong learning. And also in the digital marketing sphere, the digital marketing environment, there's always something new to learn. Yeah, and also things are changing rapidly. You have to keep updated and use the latest strategies. TikTok is one of the latest platforms. And it's not just for fun, although you see a lot of fun videos, but it's not just for fun. You can also use it to promote your business. So I want to get help on how to get more views on TikTok, and with more views I would like to get more leads and eventually more sales and revenue, and I believe you want to also. That's why you're watching this video. According to what I see, it is an online course that can help you generate free leads on TikTok. And that's great. That's what I want, right? And that's what you want. And here are the lessons that you will get when you purchase the course. Well, the first lesson is all about helping you to find endless ideas for your content. And that's really good. Many times, like many of you, I find I may run out of ideas on what to write, what videos to do, So this course will come in useful. And the trainer is this guy named Jake Thornhill. He is a full-time youth pastor. But before that, he used to trade penny stocks right out of college. And he even sold sneakers online. And today, he's having amazing newfound success online with the 15-second free leads formula. So in lesson 1, he will show you how to create a never-ending vault of content ideas that will ensure that you will have an endless flow of free traffic into your business. Plus, he also gives 7 simple steps that are easy to follow and execute. In lesson 2, the trainer Matt Steinman teaches you how to create the perfect business profile for TikTok. I don't really know about perfect, but maybe it's good enough to attract people to follow you. Oh, by the way, Matt is a full-time online marketing vet, so he has a lot to share with you. Jonathan Montoya is next. He was an engineer and has since quit his full-time job due to the online success that he has found using the 15-second free leads formula. He is now able to spend time with his wife and baby daughter, and he explains how to do it. He explains about how to create videos on TikTok that are shareable. Well, to be honest, all TikTok videos are shareable, But I think what this lesson is about is to help you create a video that people wants to share. Because from what I read, Jonathan will teach you about the batch theory, right? The batch theory is this point system that TikTok uses, right, to get your videos shared. And then there's also the hashtag step method. This is to get your videos seen by more people, who will be your potential customers. I'm not sure if you know about hashtags, but it is a very effective way to reach to your audience, to get your content noticed by people. For example, in Twitter and Instagram, hashtags are a way to get your content noticed. You put in a hashtag into your post, and then people will be able to find your post or find your content. So those who follow you and those who are yet to follow will be able to see your posts with the hashtag that you have added. Dom Bavaro has generated over 1,000 plus followers and has made 5 affiliate sales, all just within 2 weeks of opening his account. As you can tell, he's quite an expert, and his account has grown since then. So in this lesson, he gives you his strategies on how to post videos that people want to watch. So this sounds good, doesn't it? And there is a bonus, an entire walkthrough of TikTok to get things up and running. And this lesson is by Matt Heisel. I hope I say his name correctly. He's the Chief Marketing Officer of Legendary Marketer, who are the creators of this course. This training only costs $1. That's incredible, isn't it? You can never find another offer anywhere else, I'm sure. As you can see from the curriculum, there's quite a lot they are giving you, and it's actually valued at $197. But now, today, you can get it for only $1. So I am going to get it, and you should get it too. So let's get it and try it. I will add the link to the course, where you click on it, you go to the course. I will add the link in the description below. Go to the description, click on the link, and get this course for only $1. Let's go get it now. I look forward to your success.